Good afternoon, guys. Welcome for the daily news arrive. So appreciate it because the news just arrived so suddenly. So, guys, first of all, let us talk about yesterday match. So, guys, how did you look yesterday match? So it's little so bit very nice. We have many opportunity. We grab only two times we score. So guys, I really appreciate yesterday game. So it's not easy. We win because ball is ball. There is nothing like little kid or mature player. Ball is ball. Actually, those guys really try to score, but it's VAR view it is offside. That is why say game is good. So guys, let's move further. Yesterday match. Some people, even me, I was expecting somebody like Alonso to play ball, but if you look at the game, you see that even Alonso, the guy is so suddenly, it's not actually well fitted now because the guy have injury against Tottenham. So that is the last game he played. So the guy have injury. So that is why because Frank Lampard is supposed to use it because the guy is not yet fit. So uh, we see Emerson. So but Emerson tried yesterday, but the guy performance was so actually low. The guy he low because since when he came back for his injury, so this guy need to practice more for himself, not only when he was in training with his friends or with Chelsea players. The guy needs his only private training. The guy need to come back for his feet. Need to come back for his performance. So this guy lose form, but actually he tried yesterday. He cross ball, the defense. So I appreciate it. So yesterday match he get one little boy they call my turn from this Nottingham. So this guy actually, and yeah, I appreciate this guy ball because he's a little boy, and this guy for his age, he play as his age. The guy, I appreciate this guy ball. So we know this guy is a little kid. Actually, play ball before. I like this for his future. This guy have to be a legend. I'm sure, 100%, because his performance was so accurate. So I like this boy performance. So you have to keep it up. This guy, I like it. So let us talk about Kalamas Nodo. This guy, you see this guy. That is why I said this guy for my last video. We no need to put this guy on loan because this guy, if you see it like since this guy was the match we lost against Southampton. This guy since that day is like this guy performance was increasing. It's increasing. So if you look at the match we play against Brighton, you see that this guy didn't start much, but the little time we play, you see that this guy pick up. So even yesterday, this was so fantastic. He scored, crossing, trick, everything was so accurate yesterday. So I appreciate this guy. So this guy is coming back for his feet so that he can come because last season this guy played a lot of a good game. So I want to see him playing like that again because he's now picking up. That is why I want Emerson to go back for private training so he can come back for his feet. So guy, yesterday game I was also appreciate like yesterday match. It's not no like Reece James. This guy is a great player. Reece James is the man of the match yesterday. I give him man of the match. This guy was so perfect, crossing ball, trick, accurate, everything, ball angle, everything was maintaining his game. So I give him man of the match. Reece James yesterday. We need to see this guy playing against Burnley. So guys, that is it. There is some certain things some people don't understand, but some people, I see some news for Chelsea app for Google. Some people talk about Olivier Giroud, Bashuai yesterday. This guy play ball, but you get something like ball. you will not understand. This guy didn't score goal. It's not his fault. It's Frank Lampard's fault. That is why this guy didn't score goal. Ask me why. Because before Tommy play ball like 70 minutes, Tommy is a little boy. So Tommy play ball like 70 minutes or 75 minutes. He will change this boy to rest and put Bashua. Bashua will also improve himself to make his leg to move, at least to his leg to straight to enter post. You understand? So she saw this wide. Is not doing like that again. So this guy is still on bench. This is what happened to Oliver Giroud. That is why Oliver Giroud, his form was so cancel. It's like he doesn't know how to head ball again. Because last season this guy is the best header for EPL to score goal. So this guy isn't know again. So this thing is affecting Batshuayi too. So this message is like if like Frank Lampard, you have to put this guy game, understand, to be making this guy to be scoring because this guy throw a lot of effort. If you play ball, the ball go up, you go back, you go this, go this. This is what is happening. You understand? Even Pedro, even you see this guy was form was so low because as my form now, because big club is not coming for it's I'm not because for my mind, because the ball where Pedro played yesterday, the guy tried a little bit, but for my own, like this season, this January, Pedro need to sign just a little big contract to like go to like championship, understand, to make his feet back so that big club can come from him because for his performance, and I don't think so because this guy form was low, it was too low, at least some coaches, last season I talk about Sarri. Sarri he like to play Pedro. Pedro was so fantastic last season. Understand? Then the last season is the first time he played European League and they won it because this is for his career. Only last season he played European League and they won it because this guy performed good last season because for a bench drop some performance. He's dropping this guy performance partial right now, but the guy Frank Lampard should try to be putting this guy game at least, even though it's 85 minutes to be playing, to making effort. You understand? And if you look at it, the time he was doing that, he put Bashua a little bit. That time, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, this guy will score. You understand? This guy score. Even this guy is the one that delivered the goal against Ajax. The time we go Ajax home. So this is what we are expecting this guy to be doing. You understand? So that is it. Like for example now, like Pedro now, I'm sure this guy is moving out like this January and didn't show that some people, some rumor is talking about Baka. But I'm not sure. Baka is not interested of Pedro. Like Oliver Giroud before they said Rangers for Scotland, but now they are talking about West Ham. So that is it. But for my own mind, I'm hoping to be playing for EPL so that we can see him actually perform because I like to watch EPL match past other country. That is why so that I will be seeing this guy performance for West Ham. So I will be happy to see this guy playing at West Ham. Sure. That is it. Uh, like for our transfer news now, it's getting so difficult for us to have a player because all player we are demanding, all is playing Champions League and all is top of their league. They are about to carry the league before leave the club. But we are. That is it. Like Leipzig now, like this Tommy Winner. We are talking about this guy to come Chelsea. But if you talk about Leipzig now, they are the people that are talking Germany league, and this guy this is the opportunity for him to win Germany league first. And this guy is so difficult for us to get now, and this is it because this guy is a player, is a big player, and is a good striker, and to leave just like that for half of a summer. So this guy is hoping to leave like during the time these summers get ended. So that is it. We go to Lyon. Lyon said no for Dembele. We are checking for Dembele, and they said no. They said no. They are not going to sell. So we go for Isco. Isco is not interested now to leave I know that he's not playing for Real Madrid, but he's not yet interested. But that is it. We are because the people that the only person that is interested to leave now is only with for Zaha. Zaha play ball, but it gets some certain trends that some people don't understand. Zaha is a player, but you know we need a striker. Understand? If you talk about Zaha now, I don't think, but Crystal Palace is a team, but maybe Zaha come Chelsea, he will prove his performance. But just if you trick, Zaha give like scale. You know what I mean? Like scale trick. Too much of that's why I like Ronaldo. Ronaldo will give you like two or three trick with pass ball, but some people like they will be tricking to release ball. That is it. I need somebody that at least you trick one, two, you release ball. That is what is killing from Zaha. I know that the guy is called goal, but some people say no. If you look at comments, some people say no for Zaha, some people say yes for Zaha. For my mind, no for Zaha. For my own, no, because we need the striker. You know what I mean. A striker that can deliver. It's like because this Champions League we need to go far. Understand? This is what we need. So guys, for my own mind, no for Zaha. I know some people say yes for Zaha, but for my own, no. Some people say no, not only me, and some people also say yes for Zaha, but for me, no for Zaha. That is why it's better we manage our player this season. We close door. Then next summer we open door to buy better strikers. We manage ourselves. Anyhow we play this season, we have to warm up and train. And even though we win only FA Cup, because this team now we are using, I don't think that we can catch Champions League. We have to work hard. We focus in the FA Cup and Premier League to qualify to Champions League next season. That is why we close door. So if now players are rejecting our deal, our big strikers we are binding and they are saying no now. We have to close door because we don't need like we pack player full for Chelsea. There is nobody scoring. We are just spending money paying player for nothing sake. No, that is why, guys, we have to wake up. This is what's my effort, and this is what I'm about to deliver for Chelsea fans. Oh, for that is right. So, guys, that is my opinion for Chelsea. So, guys, you know, I guess on certain things that some people doesn't understand. That is because some people are demanding now. If they are saying Zaha. But you have to keep it up. That is what only one thing I'm about to talk. You understand? So, guys, that is it. So let's try to move further. So, like yesterday match, yeah, like yesterday, some people like they are hoping to see like this guy, Lampetti, that black guy. So this guy also he play changing with Pedro. This guy performance also good. This guy is about to go Bayern Munich, but let's see, sha. But this guy will be a great player too. You have to be a great player. So we have to keep this guy. So guys, that is my opinion for Chelsea. So guys, see you guys for next week. Yeah, that is this week. So we have to play for Burnley for Stamford Bridge. We hope to win this game. Oh, Chelsea, we need to win this game to grab our top four. So guys, happy 2020. So this year will be a great year for us. This is first match we win for Stamford Bridge. So let us keep it up. Winning. We don't need lose. We don't need news for losing. Or instead of losing, we draw. That's what we want. So guys, see you guys. See you for next week. So we have to keep it up. So don't forget to subscribe, please, because then doesn't collect your money. Just hit the subscribing button so that anytime when I drop this video, you just get the notification without searching my name. So that is it. So guys, subscribe and get notification and like the video. So guys, see you guys. One love for Chelsea.